We are in Samhita Adhikara, Samhitayam 6172. So in that Adhikara, yesterday we studied Iko Yanachi, Yecho Yavayavaha, Lopa Shakalyasya. This Lopa Shakalyasya is not from this Adhikara, Samhitayam, but still it is in the Adhikara of Samhitayam. It is a different Adhikara. It is that Samhitayam Adhikara is present in Tripadi also. In that Adhikara, this sutra is there, Lopa Shakalyasa. These two sutras, Ikoyanachi and Echo Yavayavaha, are they come under Samhitayam 6172. So by Ikoyanachi, we learned ikvarnasya sthane yannadeshah bhavati achi pare. When there is ach letter after ik letters, the ik letters will be replaced by n letters. By echo yavayavaha, h letters will be replaced by I and other adeshas when they are followed by ach letters. And by lopa shakalyasya, this yakara and vakara which come after akara and which are followed by ash letter, there will be optional deletion of yakara and vakara. It is not compulsory. So we can have the forms with or without yakara or vakara lopa. This we studied in the previous classes. In today's class, we shall continue to the next sutra. Vanto e pratyaye. 6179. Vantaha e pratyaye. Vantaha is the pratama, e saptami, pratyaye saptami. Anurutya of yechaha comes from echo yavayavaha. So anvayaha yechaha vantaha e pratyaye. It means H means, as we know, A, O, I, Au. Vantaha means the adeshas. We were having 4 adeshas there. I, Au, Au. Among them, Vantaha means Vakara, Anta. Those which end with Vakara. So, which are those? They are Au and Au. These end with Vakara. Au and Av, these end with Vakara. The I and I, they end with Yakara. They are Yantaha. These are Vantasa. So that Sandhi is called as Yanta Vanta Desha Sandhi or Ayadi Sandhi, because among the 4, the I is the first Adesha. So it is also called as Ayadi Sandhi or Yanta Vanta Desha Sandhi. So Yechaha Vantaha. Yechaha Vantaha. The Vanta comes as Adesha to H letters when E Pratyaye, Yakaradi Pratyaye. E is the Saptami of E, Yakara. Pratyaye, that Yakara should be of a Pratyaya. It cannot be a random Yakara. So we know that Au comes in Adesha to O and Au for Au. So this is restricted to only O and Au. The cases where O and Au are followed by Yakaradi Pratyaya, then only O gets converted to Au and Au gets converted to Au, and it is not related to A or I. This sutra is not applicable where A or I are followed by Yakaradi Pratyaya. This is only for the cases where O or Au are followed by Yakaradi Pratyaya. This is O or Au if they are followed by Yakara of a Pratyaya. Pratyayasya Yakaraha. Then O becomes Au becomes Au. You see, the previous sutra Echo Yavayavaha was applicable when this O and Au were followed by Ach letters. Here Yakara is not a Ach letter, it is a Vyanjana. So this Vanta Deshas, they do come when this O and Au are followed by Yakara of a Pratyaya. It is not a Ach letter, that we have to keep in mind. Let us consider one example. Goho vikaraha. Goho vikaraha. The change, the modification, or the product of cow. In that sense, yat pratyaya is added to go. It is a taddita pratyaya here. The same yat pratyaya is there is a same yat pratyaya which is a krut pratyaya. Here it is that yat is a taddita pratyaya. So takara is itto go plus ya. Here okara of go is followed by yakara of a pratyaya. Here yat is a pratyaya. So that yakara is of a pratyaya. It is part of a pratyaya. So at this stage, O becomes au. So go becomes gau plus ya. Gavya. Goho vikaraha gavyam. Similarly, navam atmanaha ichati. Navam atmanaha ichati. One who wishes himself for himself. Navam. So, in that sense, now the pratipadika now gets sketch pratyaya. This sketch is a sanadi pratyaya. It is given by the sutra Supa Atmana Sketch 318. So, here kakara and chakara are hit. So, here also ya asti drushya rupapti pratyaya. Here au of the pratipadikam is followed by yakara of a pratyaya. Yakara of a sanadi pratyaya. So, at this stage also au becomes av. So, now ya navya navam atmanaha ichati iti navya. Here navya is a dhatu because it is derived using a sanadi pratyaya, and by sanadhyanta dhatavaha navya is a dhatu, and we can add thing pratyayas and other pratyayas on top of this navya. So this is about vanto e pratyaye. O and au get vantadeshas when they are followed by yakaradi pratyaya. Vantaha iti kim. Why only vantas? See here, rayam ichati. Rayam means the property, the wealth. Ichati. In that sense, if we add kech pratyaya, yes, anadi pratyaya which we added to now, then since the pratipadikam is rai, the pratipadikam is rai here, rayam is the dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana form of rai. So pratipadikam is rai, rai plus yat, rai plus yat. There I is followed by, this is how rai plus kech. Here I is followed by yakara of the pratyaya, but we cannot have yanta desha here since there is only vanta in the sutra. So it is raya. Raya is the dhatu and rayati is the yatingantam in latlakara. Sorry, latlakara. So only vanta deshas, no yanta deshas. Yakara di pratyaye pare. E iti kim. Only, why only e? E pratyaye. Because this vanta deshas cannot be substituted when that o or au are followed by a hal letter other than yakara. Here byam is a pratyaya. That pratyaya part is okay, but it is not yakaradi, it is bakaradi. It is having ya in the pratyaya, but it is not at the beginning of the pratyaya. So it is bakaradi. So here that o cannot be get replaced by au. Similarly, now plus byam, now bhyam. Here also au is not followed by yakaradi pratyaya. So here also that vanta desha will not be seen. Pratyaya iti kim. So whenever o is followed by any random yakara, then there will not be vanta desha. Only the yakaradi pratyaya. So yakara of a pratyaya is important here. So there should be yakaradi pratyaya. Consider this. Go plus yanam. Here O is followed by yakara, but this yanam is not a pratyaya. It is a word. It is not a pratyaya. So here this O cannot be converted to au, or here au cannot be converted to how. So all the words vanto, e and pratyaya all are important in this sutra. The next sutra is dhatos tannimittasyeva. Dhatos tannimittasyeva. Dhatoho tannimitasya tat nimittasya eva. Dhatoho षष्ठी tannimitasya षष्ठी eva avyaya. The anurti of vantaha from vanto e pratyaya. The whole sutra vanto e pratyaya comes as anurti. Yechaha comes from yecho yavayavaha. So अन्वयः धातोः ई प्रत्यये तन्निमित्तस्य एव एचः वान्तः संहितायाम् इति अधिकारसूत्र धातोः ई प्रत्यये तन्निमित्तस्य एव एचः वान्तः. What does it mean? It means it is a niyama sutra. It restricts the scope of vanto e pratyaya for the dhatus. So whenever there is O followed by yakara of a pratyaya, we saw by vanto e pratyaya O gets converted to au. Here go plus yat, it becomes gau plus yat, and it becomes gavya. But in case of dhatus, that O or au, for them to be converted to vantadesha, that O or au, they should be generated from the dhatus itself. The reason for that O or au should be the dhatu itself. Sorry, the pratyaya itself. You see the example of bhu plus yat. Here yat is a krut pratyaya. It is not tadita pratyaya. Acho yat is the sutra by which krut pratyaya yat is given to ajanta dhatu. Bhu is a ajanta dhatu. Bhu plus yat. So here takara ittu, and it is, since it is added to dhatu, it is an ardha dhatuka pratyaya. By sarva dhatuka ardha dhatuka yoho, bhu becomes bo. You see here that o in bo, that o is there, no, that o is generated because this yat is a ardha dhatuka pratyaya. The reason for that o is this yat pratyaya. So nimitta of o is yat pratyaya. So it means the okara of the dhatu is because of this yakaradi pratyaya. In that case only this o will get converted to how. So bho becomes au, bhau plus ya, bhavya. One more example for the same dhatu nyat pratyaya. Again ya remains. Since this is a nit pratyaya, nakara is here, nit pratyaya, by achongniti there will be ruddhi instead of this is ardhadhatuka pratyaya, but achongniti comes as apvada to sarvadhatuka arvadhatuka yoho. So when there is nakara as it letter in a pratyaya, there will be ruddhi instead of gunadesha. So ukarasya ruddhihi aukaraha, bhau plus ya. Now this aukara, the reason, the nimitta for the aukara of the dhatu bhu is this ardhadhatuka yakaradi pratyaya. So this is the reason, this nimitta for au is yakaradi pratyaya. So the here also how gets converted to how. So bhau becomes bhav ya, bhavya. So if this au or o are there in the dhatu itself, or if they are generated by some other prakriya, then they cannot be converted into vanta deshas. That is the meaning of this sutra. Dhatos nimittasyaiva. So it limits the scope of vanto e pratyaye for the dhatus. In case of dhatus, that o and au should be generated because of this yakaradi pratyaya, then only there will be vantadeshas. Consider the dalakrutya. Tannimittasyaiva iti kim. Why tannimittasyaiva in the sutra? Consider the example of a plus ve plus latlakara. For example, pratama purusha ekavachana. A is the upasarga here. Ve is the dhatu. Ve is the dhatu. A is the upasarga. I don't going to demonstrate the detailed prakriya here. At this stage, there will be some prasaranam, other changes, and at this stage there is a and there is u and there is ya. This is in karmani prayoga. It is not kartari. Ya and te. This is atmanepadi thing pratyayanta form. So at this stage, a plus u is there. By adgunaha, there will be gunadesha. A plus u, they become o. A plus o becomes o plus ya plus te. Here ya, this ya is from a pratyaya. That is yak. Yak is the yak is a vikarna pratyaya. So this is yakara is from pratyaya, but still this sutra vanto e pratyaya is not applicable here. Here o plus ya, o is there. Yakara the pratyaya is there. Still vanto e pratyaye is not applicable because by dhatos tannimittasyaiva this okara should be generated because of this yakaradi pratyaya. But here this okara is not from this yakaradi pratyaya. This okara is from the combination of these two letters a plus o, they combine to form o. So yeah, this ya is not the reason, the nimitta for this o. So at this stage, this vanto e pratyaya is not applicable. So it is o yate only. And tannimittasyaiva iti kim. One more example for the same tannimittasyaiva. Ve plus lang lakara. The same dhatu in lang lakara. At this stage, there will be art agama. Then ukara is present. This way undergoes some prasaranam, other changes. And there will be some stage where art plus o plus ya plus ta are there. At this stage, a plus o they combine to form au plus ya plus ta. Here a plus o they combine to form au. Since here au is not from this yakaradi pratyaya, so there will not be au adesha for this au before an yakaradi pratyaya. Okay, this r plus o they combine to form au, not o. There is a separate sutra for that. We are going to study that sutra. Atascha eva iti kim. Tannimittasya eva iti kim. Because this is restricted to dhatus. It is not restricted to pratipadika. In case of pratipadika, that o or au need not be generated due to yakara. Here go plus yat is equal to gavya, now plus yat is equal to navya. Here okara of the go is not generated because of this yakara the pratyaya, and it is same for now also. This au is not generated because of yat. Still vanto e pratyaya is applicable. It means this eva It tells that that tannimittasyaiva part is required for dhatu only, not for pratipadika. धन्यवादः.
महोदय।